Magandang araw mga kaagham! Silvanas, Sansribal, Mamon, at iba pa, ilan lamang ito sa mga kilalang produkto ng isang DOST setup adapter na matatagpuan dito sa Barangay Daan Sarile, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Tara na't samahan nyo kaming tikman ang iba't ibang klaseng pastries na gawa ng sikat dito sa Cabanatuan, ang Leeks Restaurant and Catering Services. Ating alamin kung paano nakatulong ang DOST setup sa paglago ng kanilang negosyo. Bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutang i-follow ang aming Facebook page, ang DOST-Central Luzon, maging ang aming YouTube account, pati na rin ang iba't ibang Provincial Science and Technology Office Facebook pages dito sa gitnang Luzon. Sa ngalan po ng aming Regional Director, Dr. Julio Cesar B. Sicat, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Lade Sicat, at ito ang Probinsyensya.
So we started the business with the family, with my two daughters, one brother, and a sister of them who already got to abroad. Since we started only with a simple menu, just as simple as that, just to accommodate the budget of the incoming guests. Before, konti lang ang aming guests. In fact, kung minsan di kami nakakabenta ng within a day. And then, it's only now from, na nag-boom lang ito, lately. Most of the time, they appreciate our preparation of the menu. Mura lang, talagang mura. Hindi hold up. Unlike dun sa siyempre kami nagpupunta rin naman sa mga ibang, resto bar. Talagang, anyway, talagang ganun hanap buhay. Pero ito, pabalik-balik sila. We are really securing for equipment, modern equipment. Kasi we used to bake cake by hand mixer only. Then, I think that's the only time that DOST entered and offered us yung medyo modern na oven, mixers, like that. Yes, of course, dumami rin yung aming produkto. Kaya we have our display counter at the front of this restaurant. So at present, we're offering some pastries like tart, leche flan, ensaymada, brownies. As of today, our best seller is leche flan, tart, brownies, Spanish roll. Actually, as of at present, we are applying for a solar system of converting our usage of electricity to solar. It will be a big change pagka sinolar kasi ang kuryente namin, it costs us about 74,000. Kaya kung maybe if it is solar, according to so many people, it can save so much. What I can say is the OST are so accommodating, the sense that they have to interview the client, they give time to the client to explain better what are those products you are endorsing. Well, actually, it's a big help on the part of our business since we started with with pastries. So, malaki pong bagay na nakapag-avail po kami ng oven.
Ikaw ba ay isang negosyante katulad ng Leaks Restaurant na naghahanap ng paraan para ma-upgrade ang iyong negosyo? Nais mo bang magkaroon ng mga makabagong kagamitan na walang interes? Tara! Usap setup tayo! Isang episode na naman ang ating napagsaluhan ngayong araw. Kaya pakaabangan ang susunod naming episodes. Mga kwentong kapupulutan natin ng idea, inspirasyon at aral. Kaya naman, magtungo na sa pinakamalapit na Provincial Science and Technology Offices sa inyong lugar. Kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay at pag-share ng aming mga episodes. Sa ngalan pong muli ng aming Regional Director, Dr. Julio Cesar B. Sicat, ako pong muli si Leigh Sicat, at ito ang Probinsyensya.